Hello students, today we will continue the question based on Pythagoras theorem. This is the question of exercise 6.5, 10th class maths. Question number 15. That is, in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD equal to 1/3 of BC. Prove that 9AD square equal to 7AB square. मतलब अपने को उसमें ये प्रूफ करना है, दिया है अपने को इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल और BD equal to 1/3 of BC and we have to prove this. So first of all we draw the diagram equilateral triangle. What is the meaning of equilateral triangle? The equilateral triangle means a triangle whose all sides are equal. So suppose this is equilateral triangle, ये equilateral triangle है जैसे कि सारी sides equal है. Now we are given that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle and BD equal to 1/3 of BC. This is BC, BD जो है उसका 1/3 है. And to prove 9AD square equal to 7AB square. अब अगर इक्वलेट ये हमको प्रूफ करना है 9AD स्क्वायर AB स्क्वायर, तो AB स्क्वायर और AD स्क्वायर लाने के लिए हमको एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज वी यूज़ हियर पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. अब यहाँ पे कहीं पर भी 90 डिग्री नहीं है, सो वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम A on side BC. So this is the construction part. Construction. A is perpendicular to BC. We have to prove that 9AD square. So we can join this AD, A to D. Now AD square, we want here AD square. तो अपने को D की वैल्यू और A की वैल्यू AD में लानी होगी, यानी A की वैल्यू हमको फाइंड आउट करनी है और D की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, जिससे कि हम इसमें प्रूफ कर दें इन ट्रायंगल AD. दिस इज द परपेंडिकुलर. Now in equilateral triangle, this is the altitude. Altitude bisects the base. Therefore, A is equal, A bisects BC and therefore B is equal to half of BC. But B, these are the collinear points B, D, E. So we split this B, BD plus DE equal to half of BC. But here, see here, we are given that BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. So we write here 1/3 of BC plus D equal to half BC. Now we want here a D. So D is equal to half BC. If you transfer this minus 1/3 of BC, then D is equal to, if you take LCM, यहाँ एक LCM लेंगे, 3 और 2 का LCM आ गया 6, then cross multiply 3BC minus 2BC, 3BC minus 2BC, that is BC, 1BC, 1BC और BC एक ही बात है वो, BC upon 6. But we want here AB, so BC equal to AB because it is equilateral triangle. So D is equal to AB upon 6. We call this first, and we write here reason BC equal to AB. Same way we can find A. Now this A is the height, and the height of equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 2 into BC side. This is the formula for height of equilateral triangle. This A is the height of equilateral triangle. Therefore, A is equal to root 3 by 2 into side. We can write here AB, DBC, AC, but we write, हम तीनों में से कोई भी साइड लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन अपने को लिखना पड़ेगा सिर्फ AB, बिकॉज प्रूफ दैट में हमको AB में रिलेशन लाना है. Second, now in triangle ABC we use here Pythagoras theorem. So please write down this. Now in triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem, ABC नहीं, ADE, we use this triangle. So AD square equal to A square plus D square. So AD square, A is root 3 by 2 into AB whole square, D AB upon 6 whole square, AD square root 3 square 3 और 2 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 4 AB square. Similarly here AB square 6 square 36. Now we take here LCM 36 और 4 का LCM 36 ही आ जाएगा because 4 9 is 36 and this 36 is the LCM. Here we multiply here by LCM. अगर मैं यहाँ 36 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ तो 4 9 is 36 and 9 is 27. So what is here? 27 AB square. Similarly here we have to multiply by 36. 36 cancel. 1 into AB square, that is AB square. Now 27 AB square plus AB square is what? 28 AB square. AD square equal to 28 AB square upon 36. Now we reduce this. Which number by which number? 4. 4 9s are 36. 4 7s are 28. If we cross multiply this, so 9 into AD square, 9 AD square equal to 7 AB square, and this is the result. So we जो हमको प्रूफ करना था वो मिल गया. So students, I hope you understood this.